everybody, welcome back to another video that I've been doing, and it's not going nowhere, but it's okay because we're still here. So guys, thank you so much for watching. So as you guys know, we have Ipsy unboxing. I'm very excited to show you guys what I got here. I got some really cool cute items that I want to show you, and we're going to be talking about them. So if you want to see what I have here, please keep watching. As you guys know, if you're new to my channel, you never been here, you never seen me, never heard of me, never seen my content, please don't forget to subscribe to the notification bell to get more updates when and where I post a new video. And always, if you ever want to share my content, I'll really appreciate it, because it's been really lonely here. Not that many people are watching, and I'm like, maybe the notifications are not working, so I don't know. So if you ever get the chance to share my video, I really appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe, because it helps me out too, and like this video, and comment what you think about this look that I did here and in the video. Yes, okay, so we have here Ipsy Glam Bag Plus September edition. This bag is only $25, and what's cool about it is that you can choose 3 items out of the whole box. BoxyCharm doesn't do that, so you can choose 3 items and then the rest they pick it. So 3 items are yours, 2 items are Ipsy. It's pretty cool, because I really like it. So here we have the bag. No more boxes. So we're here, the Ipsy bag. So it's actually pretty cozy. Feels very cozy, because September, beginning of fall, and it's so cozy. So look at that. Look at this cute bag. Feels like a really nice material. So let's dig in. So for the first item that we have here, I have an eyelash. Okay, let's go into the first item. I don't know, I can't remember if I picked this item. I can't remember. Whoa, we have here the Trestique contour stick. As you guys know, Trestique has been really been around for a while. You just know they only use like a crayon type product. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this, because it's very dark, and I don't really do much of contouring, even though I should, because I have a really round face. But I don't know if I should. It's very dark. So I'm thinking of adding this to a future giveaway. As you guys know, I already have a giveaway right now, and I'm like, it's almost over. But after that giveaway is over, I'm gonna do another giveaway. So I'm gonna be adding this one right here, to a giveaway. So I'm not gonna open it. So here we have a product that actually shows. It's the Adam Beauty brow pen. So let's open this one out. Okay, so oh wow, that's actually cool. That's really cool. Okay, so let's start by saying that I love the packaging. The packaging is very pretty. And we have here, okay, yes. Let's see the color. It's actually a really nice brown. So it will look really nice with me. And let's see, I love this. I'm very triggered with this product. Oh wow, so look at the brush. It actually looks like a brush. It's actually pretty cool, and it feels really nice. Let me see. Wow. Yes, I'm keeping it. As you guys know, I already opened it, and it's mine, not giveaway. Sorry. So let's see, right here we have the Laura Geller Sparkle Mist. So I actually did choose it myself. I've been wanting to try her product. It's called, it's kind of like glue or something. Yeah, it's like some kind of glue. I think the product open, I don't know. But look at that, looks like glue or something. So this is a coconut water. It's a prime, set, and refresh. So you can use it before makeup or after makeup. You can always use it. It is gonna feel really refreshed with your skin. I'm not sure how much this product is. I have the app. Girl, get it get there. This full product is actually $32. 32. Now the other product, so the Item Beauty, it's only $14. $14 for the Item Beauty. It actually like not that bad, like really good price. And then the Tristique is only $28. Now let's see what else we have here. I have a big box. Okay, so here's something that I have never tried before. It's a brand that I have never heard of. It's a brightening exceller, and it comes in the box. I will figure it will take it off, but let's see. So we have here a brightening exceller. It's called Golden Fair, something like that. It sounds German. Sounds German, but it's a brightening exceller. So let's see. It's clear, very clear. Has no smell. Oh, it feels really good. Feels really good in the skin. Watery, very watery, but I bet you it's gonna look really nice on my skin. So we're gonna be trying it on. Like I mentioned, I have never heard of the product, and let's see how much it actually costs. It costs $80. This product is $80. Damn, that's a lot for a product that I've never heard of. And the bottle is actually pretty, like, it's decent. The product is decent. Size is decent, but it's very small for such a big ass box. Look at that. Wasteful. Okay, so last but not least, we have the Dr. Brand Pore Dermatization. This product goes for, I chose this product too. So this product goes for $58, not lying. Wow, $58. So it's a pore exfoliation. So let's see, it's sealed. But I heard their products are so good. I also own some of their products. Very happy with their products because they're clean. They keep your skin fresh, and in like 1 or 2 times a week you should actually exfoliate, because your skin of the whole mess that's going on right now with the whole smoke on the air. So it's gonna really go in your skin. It's gonna mess up your skin a lot. So exfoliate and drink a lot of coffee. Gotta exfoliate, girl. Gotta exfoliate that skin. Ain't shit. Okay. So the theme of the box was actually good vibes. You guys know they don't bring you any prices. There's no prices in here, but that's why there's the app. Yes, can always check out the app. But I love the feel of this card because it gives you like a full vibes things, like a brown and light brown. So, and it go good vibes. So this month, radiate positivity from trying a bold new hairstyle to finding the perfect fall lip color. When you embrace this season to change with an I got this attitude, the result will be out of this size. So yes, I love the theme of this box. So you guys know, Ipsy is $25 a month. You can choose 3 products. If you'd like to subscribe to Ipsy, I have a link down below, so you guys can always check it out. Subscribe. You know, we both get points. You can always subscribe to them, and so check them out. Help me help you. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Comment below a leaf, like a full leaf, to let me know that you love this video and you actually watched this video. So put a full leaf in the comment section letting me know that you actually watched it. As you guys know, I have a giveaway going on right now, so always enter the giveaway. That way you guys can see the products. It's almost done. So the giveaway is until the end of the month, so you have time to enter. Well, if I am lazy enough, maybe this video will be for next month. So yeah. Anyway, so thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.